This is an introduction into bookings and the booking summary. This is a handy feature in FusionWare that will allow the shipping department to easily identify which loads need a truck and to be able to get those scheduled. So I'm going to clear the dates here. You can see we've got some loads in booking status that need a carrier. And so I'm going to toggle this over to booking so we can easily see we've got 4 here, but it looks like one of these has already been assigned a carrier. And so we're going to move it into book status. Typically, if someone was going in and doing that, they would have done that at the same time. So I'm just going to select on the book load here. And then when we'll see that disappear. So we've got 3 loads here we need to find a carrier for. So I'm going to go into the booking summary. You'll see we have this laid out in a preview here. We've got our order here on the left-hand side, and the load date, the origin, the destination, and then if we know the delivery date, and we've got actually what we need hauled, and then the equipment that we want to put it on, and then our total quantity. So that would be mileage, and then the rate. So let's dive into this order. I can go directly into the order without having to go back to the order board. I'm going to type in, I don't know who the broker is, but to get this set up right, I've created a carrier just titled TBD, to be determined. And I'm going to throw in, we have a bunch of different options. If you do want to track the type of trailer it does need to go on, in this case, it's going to go on a reefer. And we need to add an accounts payable here because we'll be paying for this freight, and you'll see where the carrier will autofill. And we're going to do this based on miles, and you'll see up here the 863. It automatically is calculating that mileage from Idaho Falls to our destination location. And then we could manually go in and adjust this mileage as well, because it's just doing it based on the city, so it's not an exact. But once we know that, we can type that in there, and then I'm just going to do a $5 rate. We need to hit the plus sign. So those things I've put in now, when I go back into our booking summary. So once again, back in reports, booking summary, we'll see that here on the right-hand side. And it gives us a summary of that. And we'll go into this order as well. I'd already put the carrier in there, but I do not have any rates set. So I'm going to do an accounts payable and a freight item. It's going to be per mile. Automatically is bringing down the mileage. And then we need our rate. And I'm going to add that one as well. And back into our booking summary. So we see we have this summary, and we can export into CSV or Excel. So if you're shopping this rate and wanting to email this document out or format it however you would like, it does go out in this format. So if you are shopping around looking for a carrier, we've got our order numbers, load date, all that information summarized that we can then send out and shop around to find a carrier to haul these loads. We're going to minimize this. And that is the basics for using the booking status and the booking summary report.